gotta tell the whole server. I found the ruby chest on day 1! Let's see their reaction. Oh, dude, I know it's you. Hello, come here. Woo! Type. No way! Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna chainsaw this big tree near to the fire. It's gonna be so crazy. What? No way! That's a lot of logs and 2 saplings. No way. Wait, can I also break the tiny trees? No way! I can also break the tiny trees. I'm a tree breaker. Wait, I'm gonna dump all these logs on by the pelt trader. It's gonna be super crazy. Whoa! Oh wait, he needs a bunny bullet. And I have a... Hello, Mr. Bunny. Sorry, Mr. Bunny, I gotta kill you. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of damage. Come here, come here. Come here, you stupid rabbits. Wow! Why did you leave me? Come here, come here, come here. Wait, someone said they're gonna get food and kids. What about I save Dino Kid first? Wait, I see you, Bunny. Come here, you stupid rabbit. What? Come here, come here, come here. Yes. 2 more cells. Come here, you stupid rabbit. This ain't rabbit abuse, guys. This isn't a rabbit abuse. Oh no, Bunny. What? Come here, come here, come here. Nice. Wait. There's a chest. A bandage. Might come in handy. I gotta delete those. You know what? Nice. Got it. Hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, retreat. Put that bandage. Are you serious? I hate these wolves. Oh, come on. This is why I hate wolves. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Got it. With no food? I'm gonna starve. At least I have you. Nice. Now I won't starve. I'm gonna bow. Swing. Wait, guys, listen to the cauldron. This is satisfying. The cauldron sounds needs to be used for ASMR. Wait, there's a... Okay, noise. We got 2 gem. Did you just take the gems? Yeek! Look at this. It's half. We need 2 more gems, I think. He's following me. He's crazy. Wait, what? The carnival! Yes! I hate these wolves, bruh. Yoink. What? Oh, what? What? Sorry, man. Yes. You're stealing my game. Stop. This is my game. Come on. I'm so bad at this. Oh wait, got one. Yes. This is my game. Get yours. Go away. Go. You know what? I'll chop you guys in half. Go away. My game. This is mine. I'm working. I'm working. Ah! scared me. Did somebody say you can only distract the dandy? Well, ow. Okay. Get away. What the yo? Anyway, this is the end of the video.